At least 90% of people cannot solve this math problem. And if you're in that 90% and math makes you feel like this, then this video is for you, because I'm going to make this problem easier than cake. There's one trick to this problem. It's the order of operations. You've probably heard of these, or PEMDAS, the acronym for them. PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. If an equation has more than one of these operations, then you have to do them in the correct order, starting at the top with parentheses, then going down. Multiplication and division are in a group together. If they both appear in an equation, you just do whichever one is farthest to the left first, then go to the right. Same story with addition and subtraction. Going back to the initial problem here, there's no exponents or parentheses, so we can skip those. There is multiplication and division, so we start at the leftmost one. 6 times 6 is 36. Then we do 6 divided by 6 to get 1. What's left now is 6 plus 36 minus 1, which is 41.